Yes.
You know, I'm going to tell you tomorrow it's going to be really cold.
Yes, I'm ready for this.
It's tomorrow night.
I haven't heard this news yet.
Well, let's pay attention.
Let's
pay
go.
attention very close. Tomorrow, starting at 8 o'clock, tomorrow's Saturday, right? Yep, 32 degrees. That's when we go to freezing. We will not get above freezing until Wednesday at 10 a.m. 33, that's when we'll get to 33. So that's 86 hours. If you're wondering, is that close to a record? The answer is no. Nowhere close to the record, which was set back in 1983 of 295 hours. And so that's good, right? It's going to get very cold. The high today, which happened just after midnight before that cold front came through, 63 degrees, but then we got down to 29 this morning. The normal's 56. Right now it's 46 degrees at DFW. So let's get into it. Satellite and radar it's been sunny all day. We've had some high little clouds roll through this afternoon. Nothing of consequence. We're staying mostly clear tonight. Tomorrow is partly sunny. Tomorrow is the arrival of the Arctic front, but it gets here later in the day. So that means we'll spend Saturday afternoon in the mid 50s. Low 50s to the north of the Metroplex. That's not bad really for this time of the year, but then temperatures crash. There it is, 5 p.m. right across DFW. And then there it goes. After that, temperatures crash. By Sunday morning, we're down to 16 in Denton, 18 degrees in Dallas, 14 in Bowie, 15 in Gainesville. The record low, 4, set back in 1964. So it's not anywhere close to a record Sunday morning. Now we're looking at precip chances. Sunday night, this is 6 p.m. We'll have a little disturbance roll through, enough lift in place, enough moisture in place, even though it's going to be really cold. Highs will only be in the middle 20s across the area. Will start to pop up. Now this pink shaded area, that would be freezing drizzle and freezing rain. What you'll see pop up to the north, let me show you here. This is 9 p.m. See how it kind of broadens out by 9 o'clock? This would be snow. Right along the Red River from Bonham to Paris and Clarksville, even Gainesville and Sherman. The primary thing we're expecting there would be snow. The better chance to see that freezing rain mix would be down in the Metroplex and certainly south of I-20. That'll continue overnight Sunday into early Monday. Look, the snow heavy at times in far northeastern portions of the area. Metroplex, still a mix of snow and freezing rain at 7 o'clock. We'll see a transition on the backside here. More of the Dallas-Fort Worth area could see some snow Monday morning before the system quickly moves out. Overall, totals are going to be light, but it's enough to cause disruptions to travel, especially with the ice. It takes nothing other than a glaze of ice to cause slick travel, and we're expecting, we'll say, less than 1/10 of an inch. Some could see up to 1/10 of an inch, especially the farther southeast you live. And then if you go to areas like Tyler down to Palestine, 1/10 of an inch plus, maybe up to 1/4 of an inch of ice Sunday night into Monday. Now let's talk snow. We saw the backside of that system. It transitions to a little snow. Dallas-Fort Worth area, less than an inch. It's not going to be a lot. Maybe a coating of snow, and that's about it. That stripe will kind of extend into East Texas. That bullseye, remember we were showing you timecast there, how this primarily stays snow. That could be 1 to 3 inches of snow from Bonham, Paris, Clarksville over to Texarkana. So they're going to see the most snow. We're all getting the cold. We're not avoiding that. 13, that'll be the low in Decatur Monday morning. 15 in Fort Worth, 16 in Dallas, 14 in McKinney. The record is 11, so we're territory. Kind of in that territory. 1905 is when that happened. I do expect record cold Tuesday morning. The record low is 11 in 1930. We're going to be right there in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Single digits along the Red River. So very, very cold air, dangerously cold air, and wind chills will be 0 or below Monday and Tuesday morning. Just take your precautions now. 32 degrees, mostly clear skies tonight, tomorrow, 54. It's not a bad day, really, until the cold front gets here tomorrow evening. 27 the high Sunday, 25 Monday, 27 Tuesday, then finally we're above freezing Wednesday. So that again is when we go above freezing, but I mean the day starts off at 15. We're back into the middle 50s next Thursday. Chances for rain, not snow and ice, but rain, the second half of the 14-day forecast. So, yeah, we always get one of these really big punches of winter, and this is certainly one of them. Hopefully we don't get one in February.
Feels like a jab.
It really is. I said yesterday it's a roundhouse kick.
A roundhouse kick. All right. Yeah. Well, that's good.